Here's a helpful tip. We often get a lot of questions about Codesys download options, and one common question we receive is, can you download a Codesys project using a USB? Well, the answer to that question is yes. Within Codesys, you can select Online and Create Boot Application to generate a .app and .crc file that you can use to download your Codesys project via USB. But before we transfer our Codesys project, we need to make sure that our USB is formatted to the FAT or FAT32 file system. To do this, we'll insert our USB into our PC. To check the file system format of your USB, we'll insert our USB into our PC. Right-click the USB drive and select Properties. And within the Properties menu, you can see the file system format. Mine's FAT32. If your file system format is NTFS or exFAT, then you'll have to format it to the FAT32 file system before we can transfer our project file. Now, by default, Windows won't allow you to format a USB drive with a capacity larger than 32 gigabytes to the FAT32 file system. So in that case, you'll have to use a different format tool or a different USB so that you can transfer the file. Ours is already formatted to the FAT32 file system. So all we need to do is drag our .app and .crc file that we created earlier and drop it within our USB drive. Now export or eject our USB and we'll insert it into our HMI. When you insert a USB into the HMI, a pop-up menu will display. Within the pop-up menu, you'll want to click the download option. At the top, or when prompted, you can select password and enter the HMI system password. The default password is 111111. Now, depending on your OS, you may have different options in this menu. In my OS, I have to scroll down all the way to the bottom to see the Codesys project option. If we enable this option, we'll get a folder icon that we can use to browse for our .app file. After we select this file, we can click the download option, and the project will transfer onto our HMI. Now, it's important to note, maybe I'll switch to seat position here. Now, it's important to note that the Codesys project will begin running as soon as you download the project file. So you'll want to take any necessary safety precautions. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video helps you streamline your next Weintek installation. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.